So yeah, I'd be speaking for him, but I did see things that one of the on the list, the owned.
Hmm.
And I realized while I was listening to this, because we've been in this situation with his mom, and he was owned, she tried to own him. And it was what you said about the emotional, he would be the one to meet the emotional needs because she couldn't risk having anyone else do that. And when he really sorted himself out, because luckily for David, he had a dad who was really there for him
Yeah.
up until his sister passed. Then it was kind of like everything blew up, the whole family blew up. But because they were young, 16, 19 when that happened. But with his mom, when he refused to be that, she blew it up so big that he didn't reject her. He just wasn't safe for her. There was no way that she was going to try to stay in relationship. And that for me is mind blowing. I'm constantly just, how is that possible to just reject your child who won't play this role for you?
Well, that's the reason I'm doing this work,
Yeah,
because we're in a generation situation where, with what's going on in the world,
yeah,
and how some mothers without dads have raised incredible sons. I have raised incredible sons. And when you realize that the opportunity has come to just step back, for me, that process is something I'm in right now. And
mm,
it's not rejection on my part, but my son right now is a little bit confused,
mm,
and he's
mm,
taking it as rejection.
yeah.
When all I'm doing is saying, my darling, I'm so proud of you. I'm so excited by who you are. Live your life. If you ever need me, call me.
That's beautiful. That's a beautiful response.
Yeah, but
Um,
he can't hear it.
that's maybe, yeah, I hope that at some point he will. I don't think it's the same scenario here with David, but David has taken that upon himself. Like, I'm gonna live my life, and and he is an incredible man. He is
Yeah.
really truly an incredible man. And luckily he had enough that he was able to figure so much of it out.